Okay, so the next thing is I want to show you some extras if you want to add some very basic things into your timeline. For example, if you want to add some stock media, I've explained how you can use stock media. You can add music, you can add images and videos from Pixels, from Giphy, from Pixabay, from Unsplash. You can apply all this, you can add all this from here, and you can search. That's the good part of it. You can search from here and you can add anything directly into the timeline from most of these platforms. Okay, they have been integrated to Filmora. You can now easily, you don't have to go to Pixels, or don't have to go to Pixabay website to search for anything, to start downloading, to start dragging and dropping, uploading into the software, and then you can start using it in your timeline. You can do that directly by just going up here and just searching. Maybe when you're on Pixels, you can just go ahead and search things on Pixels, and it's going to just give you directly as it is on Pixels once you are connected to the internet. So next we can have how to add different media. So you can just select, for example, you can select and say I want to add maybe something like a happy child. You want to add something like a happy child on Pixels, something like that. You can see something like this. Okay, so let's say we are taking something like this. We can just easily drag it, download it, and drag it and drop it into the timeline. Okay, so let's wait for it to be downloaded. You can see it has downloaded it. You can specify the in and out points. If you are starting with what you have, you just want to have a happy child, you just easily drag and drop it. Okay, but this is not where I want it to be featured. Let me zoom to fit. Let's say I want it at the end of this clip. I want it to appear at the end of this clip. I can just click and come to the plus sign to add it. And you can see we've just added it. And if you want it to appear as a B-roll also, you can move it around. Maybe I want at this point. So you can create a cut here and probably here and back to the normal. Click on delete and click on this one also and delete. And then you can do still zoom to fit. You can move these around to somewhere like this, and you can see we've added another track to it. So you can just bring your timeline and try to play it, and you can see the transition as well. So this is how to bring in stock media from the different platforms using Filmora. So you can also add different kind of effects. There are different kind of effects that you can bring in. Just make sure you just navigate around. You can have video effects, you have trending effects, you can come to the default, you can have audio effects, you can have Boris functions and new blue functions and thereabout. You can come back to the default as well, and you have the access and the opportunity to be able to add different kind of effects. You have filters, we have overlays, we have utilities, depending whatever effect you want to add to your video. But with just a simple click, everything is going to be there on that particular track that you've selected. So you just, let's say with this one, you can just click to download this effect, and you can see it has just added that very effect on our video clip. So this is very easy and interesting. And then we have stickers. If you want to bring in stickers to bring in more creativity into your work, you can bring in different kind of stickers. So we have the default stickers, which you can have access by just coming to the default. You have different kind of default stickers. You can just move around. All you need is just to click to download and just insert it into the video clip. So like we can just select on any just to download something simple. This is a badge. You can just select, download it, and you can just add it into, you can see the preview of it. If you like it, you can just easily drag and drop it into the timeline just like so. And you can move your playhead so you'll be able to see exactly, or assuming you want to say this is on sale now, you can just go ahead and you have it as a badge. So the next thing is you can check on different kind of badges. You can have love badges, you can have journey badges, you can have shapes. They are pretty much classified into different kind of forms. We have badges, we have tutorials. You can just select. You have pets. You can see most of them. Okay, quite a lot of them. We have game features, we have fun features. Depending whatever you want, social media, you can just select on any, like and subscribe. You can have all these. You can check on film stock also. They have a number of other presets that you can use in terms of stickers. You have a number of them like the like and dislike, and you have subscribe buttons, and all these features you have them around. You have the trending ones and you have the new ones if you want to check around. So you can just go ahead and check. If you have any that you like, and you can easily download and insert into your clip. One last thing that I want to show you on the extras is the templates. You can come to the templates, and there are a bunch of templates that you can work with at any given point. You're just here, you can just come all the way. You can go to the split screen mode, or you can just stay at the template. You can see these are mine, and these are templates. Okay, they are game templates, they are sports templates. You can just click, and with one click, all the different features that are contained in these templates will be transferred and inserted into your video clip, just like we've explained. Okay, so very easily you can use templates. You don't have to customize anything, and everything is going to be inserted into your clip just like so. So down here you have the preview quality. You can check the quality here and display settings. You can click and you can see the zoom level, the safe zones. You can check, you can see to fit, you can reduce it by this much amount, and then you have the camera features over here. You can take snapshot from here, and you can play around with the volume also from here. You can increase or decrease the volume, and you can fit this to screen. So everything is now back to fit to screen, and you can come back to the main editing feature or the main platform. So I think this does it for this. That does it for the extras that I want to show you on some of the key features that you can also play around with. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.